Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be doing a quick cross arm pose. So a person with crossed arms, I guess it's a very important pose to know and to use for different purposes. So artists actually use this technique a lot, so I'm going to try it out, and that is the box technique. Let's have one line going right through, so please use very light strokes all through the exercise because we have not exactly put down the form yet. So the head will be here somewhere. Of course we could move it, we could bring it down, and I would actually go with the X shape, so the pointier part down, and from there on we just put in two lines for the neck, and that is the arc for the shoulders. But then this box here is the main thing that we're working with, so I would then have two lines going like that. So an X at the bottom, a squished X, but toward the bottom of the box. So as you've guessed, like this is the cross arm thing that we're going to use. So I'm putting in two circles for the shoulders or the delts. So the lower torso around here, chest will be somewhere around there, collarbone, and then let's have just two lines going like that. Now we're going to put in the layout for this person that we're trying to put down. So now it all depends on what body type we are working with. Now if you bring it inward from both sides instead of sticking it out, it'll be easier, and you'll see why in a second. So I'm going to bring this out, bring this in right around there, bring it in, because I'm showing him as like slightly athletic. So elbow somewhere around there. That's one arm going. That is the bicep area, and so going in again, elbow somewhere around there, and that is the other arm going. So we quickly put that down. So you see the point of bringing it inward, because you could have the hands close enough or just far enough and have it more accurate than instead of having the hand like ending up somewhere here. If you have the elbow all the way out here, the hand will end up here, and it'll be a little more challenging to make it more convincing. But right now, like, we have the hand somewhere here, so that circle represents the back of the hand, let's say, and we can have 1, 2, 3, 4. So fingers sitting right there, and so the hand, of course, in a perspective type of way, like so it's like this, like bent over the other arm, and then this arm. Now this arm is actually in the foreground, this one. So right here we have the other arm going, and there's the hand tucked inside that arm, and that is, I'm just making this more solid outside. Again, the chest area, the collarbone, and of course the head right there. And you could bring him down, you could have him hunching, you could have him looking that way. It's all up to you. So once again, so if you see here, hands coming inward, elbows, and we started off with, we began with the box, of course, but then we just add those details. You could even have a thinner arm going, and that is the arm on the outside, and that is the hand belonging to the arm in the background, and the fingers of which are showing right around like that. Now around this guy you can do different things. You could make this guy more muscular, so bigger forearms right there. The hands do not necessarily need, they could be larger, but do not necessarily need to change. Or you could have him, as we started off, you could have him looking, as I said, he could be looking that way, or he could be looking down. Just makes for a little dynamic pose. You can give him like t-shirt, or you could give him a jacket or some other type of swag. So there we have it, quick sketch in a crossed hand pose. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, keep in touch, have yourself a wonderful day.